Thank you for considering to purchase an access vent. This particular tutorial will actually show you the best way to measure it and to ensure that you get the best access vent to fit your existing register. The first thing we want you to do is to measure your actual face of your register, and this is while it's still mounted in the ceiling, if it's safe to do so. If we take a closer look at this particular register that we're measuring, you can see here this is at 405 millimeters. Now it's really important that you're actually measuring this as accurate as possible, because there can be 2 to 3 millimeters difference in the face of the register, which could throw your order totally out. The next thing we want you to do is to pop out one of your actual vents and then take that particular measurement. And if we take a closer look at this particular measurement, you'll see that we are looking at 173 millimeters. From our experience, what we've done is we've developed a particular table to make it easy for you. So the face of your register, that's the measurement that we took initially, and as you can see here, it was 405 millimeters. If we look at the table, you'll see there that the closest to it is 405. You can actually see there's one at 408. Hence the reason why it's really important that you take the most accurate measurement. And the next measurement you took was of the vent, and you can see that it was 173. Now, our table is telling you to order a 175. So why is that? Well, the main reason behind it is we always want you to ensure that the access vent's nice and snug, because when you push on it or rotate it, we don't want that popping out. And from our experience, that is the ideal size. Now that you know what to order, go to our website and you'll see all the accessories you can order, as well as the access vents. And you can see all the different sizes, and we're adding to this all the time. The accessories there, the adapter, the poles, and the cleaning cloth. For peace of mind, remember that we do provide a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason the actual access vent doesn't suit or is a bit loose or too tight, we are more than happy to exchange it for you to ensure that you get the best result for your airflow control. And remember, we are an Australian made and owned company. Thank you again for considering to purchase an access vent, and we look forward to seeing your order very soon.